free shot, scores! Is the AHL's leading goal scorer. The puzzle is Gaudette finds